When you take that next step and you determine it's time to declutter, it's time to organize, do you have a recommendation for where you start in the home? Does one room over another? Does outside versus inside versus the garage? Does one place make more sense to start at?
Typically, I prioritize the interior of the home. And I could be wrong, but I think a lot of people are maybe a little bit more forgiving when it comes to the exterior of a home. If you have a patio that has a few things on it, or if you have a garage maybe that has, extra items, I think a lot of people use their garages as storage units. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, that's up to you. But I think the interior of the home is the priority usually, and I like to start in the kitchen. I also think the kitchen is a little bit easier to declutter for some people because we don't have as many emotional attachments to the things in our kitchen. It's usually food items. I mean, I don't know a lot of people who are emotionally attached to a bag of flour that expired, or the extra pantry items. We can go through the pots and pans. We can go through appliances. Those are things that are a little easier to donate if needed. It's usually the sentimental items that are in your kids' rooms or the playroom or the closets, clothing that you think you might wear someday, but you won't. Those items are a little bit harder to go through and declutter. So start in the kitchen because that's generally where it's going to be easier for you to get rid of things. I like to, as much as possible, have clear countertops, clear spaces. If you're someone who likes to have all your appliances out on the countertops, if you don't need them out for the time being, try to hide those. The toaster can go in the cabinet or the blender, all of those things to kind of clear off the space. I like to walk into a kitchen in someone else's home and just think, I could cook a meal here with all this countertop space, or I could store all my pots and pans in these cabinets without, one toppling over when I open the cabinet door. So those are the things that I would prioritize.